This is Monday, 1st of July 2024, and we are looking at, yes, we got 6 seconds still open. It's just ranging here overnight after this big drop on Friday. Got liquidity up to 45. Let's see how we're gonna open. Some liquidity up here waiting. Kind of holding this bottom of that spike. We dropped here. Grab this 15 minutes candles. We had some 15 minutes candles. You can't see it here because this is RTH. But you can look here. Some liquidity here has been taken. This one has not been taken. Five minutes. So 15 minutes pretty much, isn't it? Kind of match that. Look at this, it's actually here. That's what we had. All right. We're gonna be trading paid account. I got a confirmation. I got paid. I set up my plain account and I'm waiting for money to arrive. $2,000. It's supposed to come 8th of June. Once this happen, I will probably make a video about the whole thing. It's I requested payout 15th of June, and looks like I'm gonna get money 8th of July. So it's quite a long time, a long time to wait, long period to wait to receive pay. It's almost 4 weeks. Therefore, you need to have more than one account. So you trade one, you request a payment. You start to trade another one, and you request a payment. When you trade the third one, you start to get money from the first one, providing you're not blowing up anything in the meantime. Okay, so we did push over this liquidity and that liquidity. That's a fair value gap here on RTH. Then we tapped in. We still have this overnight high. We do have this liquidity up here. I'm just gonna give a little bit of time. This is Monday. You never know what they're gonna do or how they're gonna do. So you probably noticed I have a bigger monitor. So I have more information on my chart. Okay, so let's focus on what we have. Okay, we did push here some sort of local liquidity that we sold into. Here's overnight high, London high. We opened at 37. So I'm gonna put this information here at 37. That's the open candle. 37.00. And We have final manufacturing PMI at 245. So that's gonna be in 10 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna work. No trade for me so far. I'm gonna wait till we take this liquidity, or we take that liquidity, I think. Unless we start to drop. We'll see. I'm gonna be very patient today. At least I'm trying to be. It's a new week. Starting with this account again. We need to go crazy, you know. $1,221, but this is pre-market candle. So we're pushing to sell, perhaps. I like the fact that they push for this liquidity. They kind of concluded this transaction by from buying here to selling into. I mean, maybe not. That would be better, but that level London high would be much better. But it's okay. Just looking at Nvidia. Nvidia is down. See continuation to the downside with Nvidia. Intel is dropping as well. Alphabet is kind of, yeah, definitely it's not dropping. Sorry, it is actually dropping as well. So Alphabet, Intel, Nvidia, they're down. Meta down. Tesla is up. Amazon is relatively up. So I don't know. There's no trade for me so far. I didn't do anything. This news at 45. I would say we're gonna drop. It's just risk off basically. Just wait and see basically situation. Space to 42 for F3, 42, 45. I could try to go to 47 to sell into this liquidity on the 15 minutes chart. Somebody's stepping in front of liquidity they want to sell. 37, 38. I think we're gonna go down. Most likely. Begging on the bull side. Nice flash. They dropped below that candle. Liquidity is going higher. 37, 38. 3 more minutes. News is about to happen. Three minutes still news. Nvidia is dropping. Everything is looking quite negative. Intel, Alphabet. Also. Let's just wait for that. If they draw the liquidity really. Oh, this one here. One or the other. This one is closer. Retreating up. Good push. We have liquidity up here. We could push up there. But it doesn't mean you do that now. We can drop first. A lot of longs jumping on this. The news is coming. 1 minute. So the risk off scenario should play now. After that, we have another news at 10 o'clock. Keeps falling already. See, very close to the low NQ. Close to London now. Yes, it's holding. So I'm thinking be careful with this SMA. We have another news in 15 minutes. ICT SMA concept. Then NQ can take the London law, and ES might not take a London law. Here's London law. So how far ES could go? Probably this liquidity. Perhaps here. Below 28. Looks like it's about to take liquidity. And they did. And they did right now. Keeps taking the low. Yes, match that. That's what we expected. Let's see. I don't know. Don't feel like I want to do anything. NQ is falling even deeper. So now they grabbed a lot of liquidity from the open from this range. Might try to go down here, but not necessarily because on the 15 minutes, that's the bottom of the candle. This is 5 minutes, but okay, NQ is continuing lower, so it's going a little bit deeper. Watching time and sales as well. Still a lot of selling. Look at it. 70. There we go. Just took that shove. That's all right. $23, $22, $21. It's looking. Big boys are still minus 900 for sale. Nasdaq, Intel. Okay, Intel just closed the gap. Nvidia still falling. Amazon dropping. Meta dropping like a stone. Wow. Yeah, Amazon is just holding here. Tesla going up. Yeah, ES is falling into London low. I think it's gonna wait. They're gonna drop till we get news. 10 p.m. So they did rush at the open here to push and sell into that. They didn't take London. They left London for that. All right. Okay. Wait. We are approaching this level now. Bit hesitant to take that, but probably should. everybody will be covering into that. Let's buy it here.
Order submitted.
Already had the bounce.
Order cancelled.
I already had the bounce. It's equal low, right? Pretty much equal low. Nasdaq dropped. No, it's around 60 points from lower than London low. This is a bit hot. It's a bit stronger today. $52. Got 8 more minutes. We might go down. Sorry, we can go down to 510. Wouldn't surprise me. Especially that NQ already. Yeah, took lower. Let's see. Yeah, NQ is continuing a bit lower. Is it gonna make a new low? Not yet. I don't see anybody buying here like crazy. This is not does it look like a conditions for reversal? Time is not right. So most likely we'll continue lower. My bounce first is 27.30. I mean, NQ is it's gonna make a new low now, really. I have liquidity here, 520. Six more minutes till the top of the hour and the news. ISM manufacturing PMI in 5 minutes. So if we continue lower, how far can we go? Anyway, we don't want it. We don't have this order block here. Top of the order block. Yeah, I can see the market is just waiting for the news, not doing anything. Not doing anything sensible. Got this liquidity, 2800. Nvidia is almost 2% down. Microsoft a little bit up. Apple up 1.2. AMD down. Semiconductors basically all down. Right, got a nice push. 2 more minutes. Question is, this candle is looking quite decent, but I don't know. Just don't really think that. Push to 3, 5, 30. One minute. ISM manufacturing PMI in 1 minute. I think market should pull a bit lower for that news. You know, I can risk this kind of risk off situation. 30 seconds. But I'm gonna just leave it. Wait for the news. Expecting 49.2. $52.1. Dollar dropping. Now it's pushing. Wow. What's going on here? Looks like Nasdaq is pumping. Sorry, 48.25. So it's lower than expecting, which is cool. It's good for the market. This is sending this index higher. Dollar is dropping. This kind of looks good. We need to get in. We need to get in somehow. Still like the fact that we didn't take this London low. We did this on Nasdaq. So we have SMT situation. Sitting on view up now, OTH view up. Hold it. Somebody's waiting at 26. So with that push, we did push through 15 minutes candle. Let's quickly have a look on that. So we did push through this 15 minutes candle. Russell's making new low. Wow. Oh, interesting. Russell's making new low now. After all that push. Drop below this view up. This candle was great. It was 1.2, 1000. Ended up minus 122. I need to refresh this because I don't know. Straight is short. Middle boys are short as well. The question is why they didn't take that. Could easily take this low. They didn't do it. They didn't take that. So you see how they trade. You hold your long, you want to sell into London high, you can't do it. You hold your short, you want to sell into London low, you couldn't do it. Okay, what do I see? 10, 17. Go is short, street is short, middle is short. A big place was short as well, like 600. I think here we were like 900. So kind of overall we are ending. So further you go up here, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, same thing. $15 minutes we did sell into that. Still have this low from Friday. This liquidity is waiting here all the time. But that doesn't look bullish, to be honest. Minus 122, and we were like plus 1,200 on this candle. At some point, we sold. They sold into that push. This is minus 500. Problem for the bulls. Bit of problem for the bulls. Russell making new low. I am thinking. Look at that, 95 on the sell side. It's a big number. I'm thinking short, but a bit dangerous. Short this here. But you never know. Someone is waiting 26, 25. So I enter this fair value gap. Nasdaq is basically got back into that overnight range. Looks like has been accepted. Russell's making new low. The dollar is going a little bit higher. Big boys minus 84. Straight is selling minus 4,000. Nasdaq is holding. Nasdaq, okay, Nvidia is kind of bottomed. Now it's looking like it could go a bit higher. Got that bottom. This is still minus 130. I'm thinking we might get down here. Take it low. And we could bounce and sell into that. Could be a scenario. Russell is dropping even lower. You know what? Almost got on that short. Too late for me. Yeah. So remember we saw this 95 sold somewhere here. Then you have the reaction. There you go. Right, let's see if we're gonna take the low. Russell's continue lower. Said it's too late for me. Wasn't that late? Okay, ESA just made new low. Took that London. Boom. Stops. Went off. Stops are blown. But this delta is 3,000, right? Everybody's selling. Everybody's selling. Look at this candle. Right. Just measure that thing. I'm gonna go and take this low.
Order submitted.
Have to grab that here. You know what?
Order
Just
canceled.
forget that for a while. Let's wait. We'll have time to enter. So Russell's indicator, the best indicator. Good old Russell. Minus 100. I've got a bit of buying going on now. But this looks bearish. Looks really bearish. Yeah, the fact that this candle turned from plus 1,200 into minus 100. That means something. I think we're gonna continue low. This is okay. 13. We'll make another candle. Another 15 candle now. 97. Still continuing to the downside. Look at that. Nobody's at the bottom of that. We might have a little bit of stop losses. $2,000 delta. It's negative. Wow. Right. Okay, we took that low. But it doesn't look like they're gonna go anywhere. I think we should just continue lower and lower. That's how it looks to me. Stepping in front of this is craziness. Don't take chance. Minus 1,120. We could try to catch this low. So we are entering this area of liquidity. We have dropped shorts here. I'm gonna get out. I want to get out. It's definitely different conditions today, different behavior of the market than last week. I mean, apart from Friday when we started to drop. Yeah, but that looks very, very negative. Very negative. NICE is minus 1.0. Nasdaq is still positive. I don't know, we took the stop losses, right? Haven't we? So what's that? I mean, now we really took everything straight. Stuff always looks so dangerous, and then, well, yeah, we did sell it to this high. We did. I don't know. Waiting. Trying to jump today. It's Monday, the beginning of the week. I just want to get a feel what the market is doing. Okay, so we did take that. It was 10. We dropped 5 points below. Mondays are always difficult. Kind of need to establish ranges, maybe like show direction. What they are planning to do this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they might be dropping down another 2 days. Okay, so the liquidity has been taken. Liquidity has been taken. Should I mean, Rasa dropped really decent drop. And Q as well. So it's bouncing off. Okay. And now sell into that. Very possible. That's possible. Push to view up. 25. Yeah, you have to take this stuff. That's how they played it. And they dropped through it, so you couldn't take it. Then they dropped like a stone, really. Whoever got long here burned. Now they are getting out. This drop was 21.5. That's a lot. That's 15 points. Okay, so what they can do. Yeah, push into that. Probably this. Wow, Russell still dumping. Russell back to the bottom. Russell back to the bottom. Making new low. $32.15. Just what? 118. Somebody sold 100 contracts. You know what? That looks like a down day. Really, there's no buy. Dollars pushing higher. Amazon, Meta, Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia has bounced a little bit, but I don't see a long here. I don't think this is long. Just, I don't know if we're gonna go up there to sell. Still there's a lot of, street is very short, 9,000. That's the only reason why they could go higher. To sell. Very thin candle. What is this candle? Almost no liquidity on that. Just push. Plus 120. Just push. Okay. Nasdaq already got to this range here. This is yes, but 23 past. I don't like Mondays, as you can tell. Blow up too many times on Monday. Where's the open? Open is here. Try to go long here.
Order submitted.
17. 24. I'm thinking, yeah, this is quite positive. Money invested. That looks 1,260. I want a good price on that long. We have 5 more minutes. The market can pull to that 20. Or is it 20? Mm-hmm. 17. We took the liquidity. Could push down. Even if they want to drop, we can just push and then drop at the end of the day. So this could happen. 4 minutes. So the only push for this, that's gonna be 15-minute candle. They don't need to. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Hopefully we're gonna pull a bit lower. Next 3 minutes to grab that. I don't know, maybe even cheaper. 17 and a half is waiting. There's this liquidity waiting, so that's what I'm looking at. It's this liquidity waiting here to be involved on the buy side. 20, 18, 17. Okay, 17. Three more minutes. See, we don't grab that low here on this 5-minute candle. See if that's possible. 2 more minutes. Do we have this liquidity still up there? Yeah. One minute and 30 seconds. I don't know. Let's just wait and wait and wait. Okay, something. Yeah, I do think it's long. I just want a good entry. It's 1,000 here. This is 1,000 here. We get a little bit of pullback. There's no liquidity below. Everybody's just trying to get involved. A lot of shorts on the street. Street is very short. Right, minus 8,000. It's 9,000. Doesn't mean that at the full that in 20 seconds or maybe we'll start to push higher. We can still go a bit lower. Grab, for example, this, and then come up. Okay, that doesn't mean we'll do it. All right, we have a 15-minute candle. Let's see what they're gonna do now. They're gonna push for it, or we're gonna dump first, grab liquidity, and then we're gonna go. There you go. A bit lower. I'm gonna stay for another 10 minutes here, so we might have this candle here. Next one will open, will start to go lower. Accumulation phase. Or is it accumulation phase? Because I can see Russell's getting lower and lower. Hmm. 50 seconds on this candle. Got time now. They're gonna use. 15 is waiting. I don't know. Russell still at the bottom. Looks to me like we could even drop to this somewhere here. So I'm gonna take that
Order
off.
canceled.
I'm gonna take this off and wait. It's not like they're selling a lot, but this can just slightly get down, get down, get down. We might bounce, for example, off this level. It would not surprise me. DXY is just pushing higher. Just made a new high on a day. So I don't know. I'm gonna continue high. Russell. Tesla is pushing, pumping Meta here. Nvidia is bouncing back, trying to go a bit higher. Let's see if I catch this 15. That's where the liquidity is. Now it's what, 13? Keep going lower and lower and lower. Yeah, I don't like that. Should be in shorts. Is Russell making low already? Not yet, but almost there. Almost there. Okay, we did take that. Alright, fine. But still is 12, 11. Street is short, minus 10,000. I mean, big boys are short as well, but
Order
you know what?
order
Let me
filled.
go along here because I can see we are a little bit. Not the best place. This is we got 6 minutes. one. Let's see if we're gonna pump it up. It's like making new high. I mean, it's about this range. So I'm thinking I'm gonna push to 23. Russell pumping higher. Hmm. No,
Order filled.
not yet. I have still time. Let's try to catch this lower.
Order submitted.
We have 12 waiting now. So probably gonna get there to 11. Yeah. I was thinking to take the profit here, but 11. Yeah, 11.25. It's okay. Let's see. See if we get that. I still have time. It's 38. So we push, grab that, bounce back, and start to go up. Be a good thing. So we get a little spike here into this 11. And hmm. That's a bearish day. Not so sure why I'm trying to catch that log now. Even 9. Liquidities keep dropping. Hmm. 510 is waiting really, so 5, even 8, go in there. See a lot of liquidity. Still have this 40, 45. I don't know. What time is it? Okay, we got 5 more minutes on this candle. How about we just try to drop like a final flush into this level. Dollar is pushing high. You know what? I don't know. I just don't know. Not looking too good, to be honest. The
Order cancelled.
conditions changed. Really, the conditions in the market have changed. It's bearish. Russell's gonna make a new low in a second. Look at that. Pretty happy with my decision. Pegging on the bear side now. 12 o'clock, 12. They want 12, but to push this even lower. Russell made new low. Initially bounced. Could get a nice push from this place, because that candle looks pretty decent. It's kind of dangerous. Two.
Order filled.
I think it's not the best place to enter, but I think they're gonna take this shorts at least to 25. At least to 25. And I will sell it into the 15-minute candle there. My entry obviously is not a good entry, but I've waited a little bit longer for my entry. But it's fine. I'm gonna hold this one contract. It's like a perfect place to launch assault on 25. Like if we can push into 16, 17, take that 17 and a half, we can start to really squeeze. One minute. And now let's go up. Could work. It can work. Russell is holding. Just stay with one contract and try to ride it till 25 or 24. More like here. 24. Let's see if we can get that. Russell is still. Yeah. So big boys were minus 1,200 or something like that. We just minus 800 at the moment. We could squeeze into this 24. They have got a lot of liquidity collected. Nasdaq is holding pretty nicely up there. Russell is as well holding. Dollar is kind of trying to, I think, like stopping already. Yeah. Big boys minus 700, 688. That's promising. Street is minus 11,000 short. So it's trying to get to the bottom again. Aye, aye, aye. 47. Can have that 50 algo. 1050. We'll see. Maybe we'll start to push. It looks like this is a beautiful place to launch along, you know, from here. Beautiful place. If they wanted to do it, that's the place to start. Russell dumping as well. Well, I have to give a little bit of space here for the drop. If it happens, like maybe here. I'll make the closet. Just like a little pullback before push higher. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. A little pullback before the push higher. Yeah. Typical behavior of the market. Let's go. Big boy 646, so they are buying it. They are buying that. Russell just making new low. Great. Dix is pushing even higher. Alright, 1050. Let's see. Ooh, got some buying 100 contracts. Got some buying going on. Big boys 450. This is looking good. This is looking promising. This is looking promising. Should be heading into that, but let's hold. So we might get a 9 minutes off right to the upside. Also drop. Big boys 383. That's good. Sunday will become positive.
Order submitted.
Let's go along here.
Order filled.
Let's go along here. But I'm expecting move higher immediately, and if I don't, I'm closing everything. If I don't get that. 416 big boys. Straight is too short. Come on. Yeah. No. I have to take that loss, I think. Okay, Russell is pumping higher. Nasdaq is dropping. Somewhere here, it's like a maximum that I can take. It's a negative day, you know. As long as they don't want to work, they don't want to work. Should cover here immediately. Yeah, we should cover here immediately and start pumping higher. Yeah, maybe now. Back to 12. Oh, now are we gonna get up there? 12, 15. Got a lot of shorts as well. How about now? I'll be honest with you. Just gonna close one here.
Order submitted.
Just to be 15. Basically, higher. Pretty much what my entry was. You're gonna push. Got all the shorts. Come on. Take them higher. Squeeze them. Should squeeze.
Order
No.
Order failed.
I'm out. The problem is gonna squeeze, but I think there's a big chance which is gonna. I have to cut it. I don't like that. Just get that. Where's my? Okay. We might get it again. We might get in again. The market is so weak. I mean, looking for those longs is just crazy, but at the same time, look what they did. They pushed into this liquidity up here. That's it. Got a good escape. It's not a time to continue lower because we're approaching. They can still drop, to be honest. They can still drop. Not sure if looking for longs is a good idea. And we have 4 o'clock. Look at that. Look at that drop. So this whole this push from here was just basically to get everybody out. Got a little bit of buying now. We had a little bit of buying here.
Order
Try one
submitted.
more. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Am I gonna get it?
Order filled.
Okay. Let's try one more time. Let's see if we can get this of 20. So now we have the 15 minutes coming off. So we did take that bottom, right? Let's mark that. Buy at 1 point. Yeah, that feels like this could be a bouncing point. It's just 13,000 short on the street. You know, this is 258, so you can see that we dropped from 600, from 1,200, 800, 900, now 600. Now we have 245. So it does look like market. It's gaining. It's like accumulating. The big boys are accumulating. This might be a place for decent bounce, you know, into this level here. So that's one level. Level 2, it's here. It's be a bit too much to ask, but you never know. You know, they like to push like this, especially that dollar is just making, you know, just made the top of the tops. Most likely will reverse here. And we could get a nice push finally. I like the fact that we took that bottom. We have space to 20, that's for sure. So let's not be view up is here at 21. So still have time. Doesn't mean we need to go there right now. But this could be the place. This could be the area of the bounce. And when this bounce will start, we could definitely go up there because they left this kind of relatively flat high. This thing, 1, 2, 3 candles. I think I'm gonna hold it into this area. Let me look at what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia is, yeah, Nvidia as well. It's just trying to gain some strength for a push higher. This looks promising right now. Also, by looking at VWAP, we look at this minus 149. So we keep buying, you know, on the big boy side, we are accumulating. We have those levels, you know, 14, 15, 16, up to 20, but four past, 6 past 4. That's the problem. The time is not great. We got still half an hour, really. You know, in half an hour I could be here. I'm not gonna add. There's no way I'm gonna add. This is so weak. This market is so weak. Anki is holding as well. Russell is turning around from what I see. Can't show you that, but it is turning around on a 15-minute. There is a possibility of push higher. I mean, I might not overstay my welcome and basically close this into this 20 level just to be, I mean, secure. You know, if I had 2 contracts, then maybe I could hold the other one. But at this point, I already be in the money here. I do think that we're gonna push into that level, but it might take, like, you know, push into VWAP first. VWAP is 21. Look at that. Finally, we are cooking with gas. Look at the delta, 2000. Beautiful. Now we should get some follow through from here. Should get some follow on that move. Follow up on that. Gosh, I'm tempted to add here. It's just a push. And what happens? They immediately selling. Oh yeah, because we did sell into this 15 minutes. Let's not forget we sold into that 15 minutes candle. So technically speaking, transaction has been done, but it's time for a little bit of more. Look at big boys, 428. On the plus side, street is still short, 11,500. You can see a little bit of green. Let's see if we can push higher. $16.7 is very weak. I mean, you know, I'm just gonna put this break even, and if it goes high, it goes higher. If it doesn't, then we're gonna should pump a little bit higher, to be honest. Okay, let's give a little bit of space. Hopefully we're gonna push. This, look at that, 23, 24. Got new liquidity waiting up there. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. We take that high now. We're going. All right. Risk removed. $20. Let's go for the 20. Need 5 more points. Let's go, baby. beautiful. It's just almost there, almost there, almost there. God damn it. Very difficult to trade. Had some stop losses bursting there. But big boys are 1,419. Do you see that? From minus 1,200 to plus 1,400. That's huge. That means we are going higher. We are going higher. Okay, look. Tape is green. Liquidity is up there. Okay. Liquidity is up there. Two more minutes on the 15-minute candle, and then we might get a push to 21. This closes at 20. Because I am already outside of my trading hours. I shouldn't be trading at this time, but yeah, just grab one tick above this, and that's it. You get it? Should get it. Come on, push. Don't make me close it here. Alright, I have to close because it's getting weaker. Alright, let's take this $337 and finish this for today. Tough market. This is this can pull back again. Can just fool around for another. Look at that, 100 on the sell side. Just get back here, somewhere here. And the way I see it, I mean, yeah. Very dangerous trading today. But we got what we wanted. $300. It's not a huge number, but I mean the continuation. We should have a continuation still. Russell is coming back. They have time again now, another 15 minutes to accumulate and do things. But the way I see it, I've been wrong. I've been too early here, although I was in profit. I've been dead wrong up here, hoping for a continuation, which didn't happen. Managed to get out somewhere, somehow break even, a little bit lost. And then we got a nice run from here to there. $300 on a day. Liquidity is up here, 20, 21, 22. Gonna get to this 24. That's 24 here. But the question is how they're gonna get it and when they're gonna get it, because they can do a lot of stuff during the lunchtime. They can get down here again, and then this liquidity will disappear. Maybe this is the final liquidity, 20. This could be. Now we are getting into it. So let's watch this for a second. But I'm not gonna do much. I'm not gonna do anything. Dollar is just pumping even higher. I mean, no. It's a bearish day. Yes, they can push into this level here. 25. Pop up here and then collapse. Or we might just stay here for a while and then pop, and then we collapse. So anything can happen. I'm done. I'm actually gonna turn all this off immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. It was a tough day. Mondays are the worst ones. Tomorrow's gonna be better. That was Trap Trader from London. From cold London. Cold and windy London.